In this video, we will learn how to update the profile image and signature of your My Profile in inside GoHighLevel sub account. So here you can update your all the personal data, first name, last name, email, and everything. And also you can click on this and let's suppose change the image if you want to. And also you can add the signatures. You can also add an image in here, that's up to you, or just text signature. And also you can, let's suppose that your phone number, and this is how you can change. And also you can change the design, font of the font style of the signature. Yeah, and then you can just upload your profile, and this is it. So this is how you can actually complete your profile section. So in the previous videos we have covered how to add calendar, video conferencing, that is also connected Zoom and Google Meet, and also updating the schedule, and also time zone. So everything in the my profile section is completed after this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.